In this video, we will look at the Whip Around dashboard. We consider the dashboard a fleet manager's control center, where you'll have a snapshot of your fleet's inspections and maintenance vitals. This real-time data allows you to see what vehicles have been inspected, how many defects are open, and what maintenance is coming up, putting the control firmly in your hands. You can sort your fleet data by a range of preset timeframes, or customize the time frame based on what's important to you. Our Teams function allows you to also filter what you see by team, further tailoring how you can view your fleet's data. Our Reporting function allows you to export the data that's most important to you and send valuable information to anyone in your company. Moving down, we have our Inspections and Defects section. Here you can see how many inspections have been submitted, the average completion time for inspections, the defects reported, and the average correction time for your defects. This information is presented graphically too and showcases driver activity and asset defect leaderboards, which allow you to prioritize training and reactive maintenance. Continuing down, we have our maintenance summary and work order schedules. As an owner, manager, or administrator, this gives you a quick look into your fleet's maintenance picture. You don't have to dig around through inspections to locate defects, and you don't have to decipher whiteboards and spreadsheets. The driver leaderboard gives you quick access to inspection information for drivers, and the asset leaderboard gives you info on defects, asset costs, work orders, and inspections. And that is the Whip Around dashboard. Next, we'll take a look at the inspections module, where we will cover how easy it is to access your inspection history, exception reports, and how to build custom forms for your drivers. If you're ready to take more control of your fleet operations with real-time information, go to whiparound.com where you can schedule a time to speak with one of our representatives, or you can try it for free.